Clear!
Airport information X-ray 1656 Zulu. Wind 310 at 12, visibility 10. Sky clear. Temperature 11. Dew point -11. Altimeter 3018. Visual approach in use, arriving and departing runway 32. Advise on initial contact you've received ATC information X-ray.
Dash ground, Cardinal 52667 in front of the Air Direct office with information X-ray. We should have IFR to Hartford.
Cardinal 52667, natural ground, good afternoon, sir. You're clear to the Hartford Airport via radar vectors Clow intersection, then as filed. After departure, climb and maintain 3000. Expect 4000 5 minutes after departure. Departure control frequency 124.9er, squawk 5314.
All right, Cardinal 52667 is clear to the Hartford Airport via radar vectors Cloud, then is filed. Climb and maintain 3000. Expect 4000 in 5 minutes. 124.9er, squawk 5314.
Cardinal 52667, read back correct. Are you ready to taxi?
We're ready to taxi, 667.
Cardinal 52667, you're not visible from the tower. Runway 32, taxi via taxiway Delta and Alpha.
Delta Alpha, actually, we're definitely visible from the tower in front of the new Air Direct office.
Cardinal 52667 in sight. Left turn out of parking, runway 32, taxi via taxiway Charlie and Alpha, and verify information X-ray. I missed it.
Charlie Alpha to runway 32, and yes, we've got X-ray 667.
Cardinal 52667, fly runway heading, runway 32, you're clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, runway 32, 52667. Airspeed's alive. Rotate. Yep. Flaps up.
Cardinal 667, contact Boston departure, have a good flight.
Order departure 667. Foster Bridge, good afternoon, Cardinal 52667, 1,400 for 3,000.
Cardinal 52667, Boston approach, ident, fly maintain 4,000.
Ident leaving 1,500 for 4,000, 667.
Cardinal 52667, radar contact 1 mile northwest of the Nashua Airport, fly heading 290, vector 4 traffic.
Fly 290, 667.
Air 52667, and expedite your climb to 4,000. I'll be able to get you on course sooner. You got traffic at 10 o'clock, 6 miles northeastbound, 2,900 indicated.
Looking for that traffic, 667.
November 667, turn left heading 270.
Left 270, 667.
Air 667, traffic no factor, proceed direct Clow.
Direct Cloud, 667.
Air 52667, contact Boston Center 123.75.
12375, 667.
November 52667, you here at 4,000?
Yep, I called you 4,000, level 4,000, direct Cloud.
November 667, thank you. The Keynote altimeter 3017, there were reports of moderate turbulence in the area.
3017 for Keynote altimeter 667.
And 3 Echo Fox, we found smooth here at 8,500.
Thank you. Quarter 943, descend to maintain 1 at 2,000. You can expect a lobby at 7.
Descend 1 2,000 and we'll expect that. Porter 943.
Chrono 765, turn 20 degrees left, vectors for traffic.
20 left, Chrono 765.
The approach, good afternoon, Cardinal 52667, level 4000, continuous moderate job.
November 52667, by the approach, by the altimeter 3018, roger, advise if it starts to smooth out for you.
3018, we'll let you know, and if you have a report of 6,000 being smoother, we can try that.
Stand by. November 667, climb maintain 6,000.
Leaving 4,000 for 6,000, 667.
November 00 Lima, traffic 11 o'clock, 5 miles southwestbound, 2,800, indicated type unknown.
00 Lima is looking.
And November 18 Alpha, just confirming up traffic at your 1 o'clock and a mile, eastbound 5500 Cherokee in sight.
Yep, confirmed. I have the Cherokee, 1 mile. He's about 2 o'clock, 18 Alpha.
Roger, thank you. November 00 Lima, traffic's not factored in the pass behind radar. Sources terminate, squawk VFR, bring to change crude. Number 667, how's the ride there at 6?
It's maybe a little bit better.
Okay, roger.
Not really.
Roger. November 410, safe flight conditions. November 10410, how's the ride there?
410.
Or 410, safe flight conditions.
It's pretty choppy here. It's 5,500.
Roger, thank you.
Branded landing and departing, runway 20. Arrivals can expect a visual approach. Hazardous weather information is available on flight service and flight watch frequencies for New England, the eastern seaboard states, and the coastal waters for turbulence and icing. Veer off approach is not authorized. The LDA is out of service. Caution men equipment and cranes to the west side to the approach end of runway 2. IFR departures requesting flight
November 27 Foxtrot, safe flight conditions.
aircraft utilizing noise abatement procedures at Nice Tower. Inform you have Mike.
I have Worcester Airport inside.
127 Foxtrot, roger. Altitude is your discretion. I'll switch over to the tower a little bit closer.
Information Mike current 1753, Greenwich information. Wind 120 at 9, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 12, dew point -7, altimeter 3019. Branded landing and departing, runway 20. Arrivals can expect a visual approach. Hazardous weather information is available on flight service and flight watch frequencies for New England, the eastern seaboard states, and the coastal waters for...
November 667, proceed direct to Brainerd.
Proceed direct Brainerd 667.
November 8, Sierra Lima, your radar contact, Bradley altimeter 3017, traffic 12 o'clock, 3 miles northeastbound, 7 altitude unknown, primary target only.
17 looking for traffic, 908 Sierra Lima. Bradley, copy November 53872, level 5.5, over.
Sorry, 5372, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3016.
3016, 53872.
123.95.
123.95, 667.
Station now.
Bradley approach, Cardinal 52667, level 6000, continuous moderate turbulence.
Cardinal 52667, Bradley approach, Bradley altimeter 3016.
3016, and we do have Mike at Hartford, direct Hartford.
November 667, roger. November 667, turn left, heading 220.
Left 220, 667.
And November 667, left heading 200.
Left 200, 667.
Southwest 4041, descend and maintain 900,000.
10 for 9,000, Southwest 4041.
November 836 Echo, reset your transponder, squawk 5310.
5310 for 836 Echo, thank you.
Southwest 4041, descend and maintain 5,000.
Down to 5,000, Southwest 4041.
November 8 Sierra Lima, maintain VFR at or above 2,500, so advise.
Wilco 908 Sierra Lima.
November 667, descend and maintain 4,000.
Leaving 6,000 for 4,000, 667.
Tier 5, contact Bradley approach 125.35.
Bradley, 12535, careful.
Whoa, Jesus.
Southwest 4041, field site.
Southwest 4041, roger. Descend and maintain 3,000.
3,000, Southwest 4041.
November 667, proceed direct to Brainerd.
Direct Brainerd, 667.
November 58066, contact New York approach 124.07.
12407, 58066.
Sun Country 8617, reduce speed to 210.
Go to 210 now, Sun Country 8617.
Southwest 4041, turn left, heading 320.
320, Southwest 4041.
November 667, maintain 2,500.
Leaving 4,000 for 2,500, 667.
Sun Country 8617, tower 120.3.
Or tower, Sun Country 8617.
Departure American 2070 out of 2.6.
American 2070, battle departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, turn left direct Hartford on course.
Up 10,000 left direct Hartford on course, American 2070.
Number 667, Brainerd Airport, it's 12 o'clock, about 8 miles.
Inside, 667.
Number 667, cleared visual approach, runway 20 at Brainerd.
Clear visual approach, runway 20, Brainerd, 667.
Colonel 667, runway 20, clear to land.
Clear to land 20, 667.
Traffic's about 12 o'clock from 2 miles now at 2,900 descending.
Okay, look at the traffic.
Okay, got a green light.
21 Lima Whiskey, if you're able to reduce about maybe 10, 15 knots to follow the traffic. He's 1,200 over, or 120 over the ground right now.
Okay, reducing airspeed down 20 knots.
Radar Tower, Skyhawk 7091 Golf, runway 20, ready for takeoff eastbound.
Jack 7091 Golf, Brainerd Tower, no delay, traffic on left base, runway 20, cleared for takeoff.
No delay, 91 Golf, thanks.
238, we're going to be coming up on a left downwind for 20.
238, roger. This is 91 Golf. Say again the direction of flight, sir.
I'll be eastbound, sir.
91 Golf. Runway heading for now. I have 2 inbound from the south for the left downwind.
Roger that, runway heading for 91 Golf.
This is 238. Traffic's the Cardinal short final. Runway 20, clear to land.
Okay, we're looking for the traffic. I'll clear to land 20238.
Passenger carriage, make sure you prop seatbelts.
Tower Mooney 241, Lima Whiskey is entering traffic. Downwind for 20, will be a full stop. Still looking for that traffic.
Mooney 1, Lima Whiskey. Traffic slightly, maybe 1 o'clock there now, and a mile and a half, 2 miles, 1,100 feet on downwind.
Good traffic.
Tower 91 Golf, we have that traffic on final.
This is 91 Golf. Understand you got the Mooney there, just ahead to your left.
A-firm.
91 Golf on course eastbound, approved behind that traffic.
Yeah, if you have the traffic eastbound, 91 Golf.